on here, honey. Grab a hold of me.
Here, Jerry, let me help her.
Wait a minute here. I have to get up like this. Throw my leg over.
Okay, Miss Helen, I'm going to hold under your arm. If you can get up here, I won't let you fall.
Get my foot over.
Close?
Yeah, somebody get my foot here.
Come on, hurry up. Come on, Joanne. Help her on, Joe. We got the Joes getting you on, Helen.
Oh.
Hold on to Jerry. Now let me get your picture. Hold on to Jerry.